Welcome to LAJA's guide on family law in Pakistan. In this video, we will take you through the important aspects of family law, ensuring you have the knowledge to protect your rights and support your loved ones. Let's look at the key areas covered under Pakistan's law relating to family. First, let's talk about marriage or nikah. In Pakistan, a valid marriage requires both parties to be of legal age, 18 for men and 16 for women. Nikah must be registered with the nikah registrar. Without registration, the marriage is still valid, but not registering can lead to penalties such as 3 months imprisonment or fine. The marriage is documented in the Nikahnama, which is a crucial contract outlining the rights and responsibilities of both parties. It includes information about the couple, witnesses, the amount of haq meher, and any maintenance agreements. 3 copies of the Nikahnama are made, one each for the bride, groom, and registrar. The Nikahnama is detailed and covers several important aspects. Columns 1 to 12 include the ages, districts, previous marital status of the bride and groom, and details of witnesses and the marriage date. Meher or dower is covered under columns 13 to 16, specify whether the dower is prompt or deferred and the nature and the amount of the meher. This is the right of the bride and must be clearly stated. The wife's right to maintenance is under column 17. One of the most important columns is column 18, dealing with delegated divorce or talaq-e-tafweez. Column 18 grants the wife the right to divorce. It is a crucial right and must be understood by both parties. Column 19 details any restrictions on the husband's right to divorce. Columns 21 to 22 cover the permission required for a second marriage, including consent from the first wife and an arbitration council. Columns 23 till 25 record details about the nikah, the registration date and fees. It is crucial for both parties to thoroughly review and understand each provision in the Nikahnama before signing. This document not only formalizes the marriage but also protects the rights of both parties. Now let's talk about maintenance. A husband is legally required to support his wife and children. If he fails, the wife can claim maintenance through the family court. Dower or haq meher is a mandatory gift from the husband to the wife. It can be immediate or deferred and must be specified in the Nikahnama. The amount is agreed upon based on the husband's financial status. Now let's talk about the dissolution of marriage, which can occur through various modes. Talaq is the right of the husband to dissolve the marriage. There are 3 types of talaq. Talaq-e-ahsan is the most preferred form. The husband pronounces divorce once during a period when the wife is not menstruating. The wife then observes a waiting period or iddat of about 3 months. During this time, the divorce can be revoked. If the iddat period ends without reconciliation, the divorce becomes final. Talaq-e-hasan involves the husband pronouncing divorce 3 times over 3 separate periods when the wife is not menstruating. There must be no intercourse between the couple during these periods. The first and second pronouncements can be revoked, but after the third, the divorce is final and irrevocable. Talaq-e-bid'a is an immediate and final form of divorce, where the husband pronounces divorce 3 times in one sitting. It is valid but discouraged, as it goes against the spirit of Islamic law. Once pronounced, it is irrevocable and the couple cannot reconcile without the wife marrying and divorcing another man first. Khula is a unilateral right of the wife to seek divorce. Khula can be sought from a court. In khula, the wife usually returns her dower or part of it to the husband to be released from the marriage contract. She does not require her husband's consent or a justification for khula. Iddat, a waiting period, is also observed after khula. There are also other forms of dissolution such as mubarrat, which is a mutual consent to end the marriage. Talaq-e-tafweez, where the husband delegates his power of divorce to the wife under certain conditions. When it comes to custody and guardianship, the child's welfare is paramount. Generally, young children stay with the mother, while older boys may go with the father. Courts make these decisions based on the best interests of the child. Understanding these family laws help protect your rights and ensures justice in family matters. Stay informed and seek legal assistance when needed to navigate these important aspects of family life. Thank you for watching. For more information or legal help, please contact a lawyer through Vakeel Online or reach out to the Legal Aid and Justice Authority, LAJA.